Good morning, Pirates. Welcome to yesterday's news. We bring you the news you already know, reported with the urgency of a sloth on vacation. If it happened yesterday, last week, or in a timeline we no longer inhabit, we're talking about it right now. And now, our top story from yesterday. Students at Polson High School successfully made it through an entire day of school. Sources confirm that backpacks were inexplicably heavy, Chromebooks were dead by third period, and at least 12 people asked, "Wait, we had homework?" the second the bell rang. Truly inspiring stuff. We now go live to our field reporter who is currently standing in a hallway where nothing is happening anymore.
That's right. I'm standing here where, just yesterday, people were seen walking. Eyewitnesses say the bell rang, people panicked, and then nothing happened.
Yeah, it was cool.
Chilling details. Back to you at the desk.
Riveting report, thank you. Yesterday also marked a major crisis here at PHS, the moment everyone realized they forgot a pencil. Joining me now is a student who survived the ordeal. Walk us through your trauma.
It was tough. I had to ask the person next to me, and it didn't even have an eraser. It was just metal.
Our thoughts are with you through this difficult recovery. Please take a sticker on the way out. Let's check the weather. Yesterday's weather with our meteorologist. How was it out there? I'm getting reports that we can't hear a word you're saying.
Hello? Hello?
And now I'm deaf. Well, we'll circle back. Breaking news, I'm getting word that Pete the Pirate has gone missing. We are offering a $50,000 reward for any information. Please contact Jack in the field if you can find him. In other news, experts confirm that procrastination remains the most popular hobby at Polson High School. We actually had a full report prepared on this, but the writers decided they would just do it tomorrow. Let's try the weather one more time. Was it sunny yesterday?
And tomorrow it will be too!
I miss the static. That's all for yesterday's news. We brought you the past, slightly late, and with significant technical difficulties. Remember, Pirates, if it happens today, don't tell me about it until tomorrow. I'm busy. Have a great day.